Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Oppo Reno 11F and let me share with you how to reset network preferences on this device. So let's begin with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll down to the very bottom in order to find additional settings. Now we have to scroll down to the very bottom again to tap on Backup and Reset, which is at the very bottom, and tap on Reset Phone. Now let's tap on Reset Network Settings, which is at the top of the list. Here we've got it notified, kind of, what we will actually reset. So you can see that it is Wi-Fi, Bluetooth and mobile network settings. So it is a whole pack of network options. So let's tap on Reset Network Settings. And as you can see, we've got this information, which means that we just successfully reset actually everything. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.